I need a big bite. This is so good.
So it's sort of creamy and very minimal spices. So I guess it's very healthy. Chickpea curry for two under $5. Isn't that amazing? But I promise you guys, we would not be compromising on quality and it would be a fantastic dinner. The ingredients are absolutely basic. When Emma and I did the math, we were blown. I know you guys would be blown too. Okay, here is the math. Let's start prepping the ingredients. First, I'm using a small size onion and finely chopping it. Then I'm taking a medium sized tomato and finely chopping it. And that's it guys, let's start cooking. The flame is on high and I'm using my nice and sturdy saute pan. Let the pan heat up and then add a drizzle of canola oil. Onions and garlic go in. I'm using my garlic crusher to make garlic paste. I got this from IKEA, it's a totally cheap deal. Give it a good stir. We're not looking to brown the onions, but rather brown edges around the onions. This may take up to 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Next, I'm bringing the flame on medium for convenience. And I'm adding the spices in a bowl and mixing them with water. I especially like this technique for ground spices because for all the home cooks who are starting off tend to burn the spices when they are adding one after another. But adding a splash of water helps cook up the spice. It doesn't let the spices stick to the bottom. And then pouring over my sauteed onions. I've used very minimal spices, but all of them I've got it from a local grocery store. I didn't have to go to an Indian store to purchase them. After around 10 minutes, when the sauce is ready, it's time to open that can of chickpeas. These pantry staples are lifesavers, really. I mean, why go through the hassle of soaking legumes overnight, boil them, etc., etc. I'm adding the chickpeas to the pan and I'm not throwing away the aquafaba. The chickpea brine, aka aquafaba, which is the liquid in the can, will sort of help thicken the sauce and give us this creamy texture. At this stage, I'm going to bring the heat to medium. Give everything a good stir. Then mash a few chickpeas to further create a creamy texture. Oh my god, this is already smelling so delicious. After 10 to 15 minutes of everything simmering together, our fantastic chickpea curry is ready. Some nice and fluffy white rice. Some fresh cilantro, of course. Just a sprinkle of garam masala. Oh my god, look at this. And the smell, guys, I wish you guys were here. Time to give this a try. Come on, Emma, let's try this.
Finally. So what do we have in front of us?
So this is a super economical, under $5 meal, and I've tried to make it exotic without compromising with the quality. Let's see how it is.
It looks delicious and I can't wait to have this. Wow, this is so good. So flavorful.
I mean, because we have mashed the chickpeas a bit, so it's sort of creamy and very minimal spices, so I guess it's very healthy.
I need a big bite. This is so good.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and please do let me know how did your experience of cooking this under $5 meal go. Thank you so much. Happy cooking.